project 1 and 2 completion. We've got all the prices in, and now we're going to figure out the last two columns. So the gain or loss there's many different equations that you could use, but I'm just going to use the equals the last price minus the purchase price times the number of shares. And that's how much I made on that stock. It went from 1686 to 1702, so I didn't make much on that. And then you would fill down. And then you can add it together. And you've lost $278. Now to get this the same format, the same font, I'm going to do that. And this time it made the negatives a negative instead of red. Then the percent change, for most of the percent change equations, it's change over original. So equals the change of price, that would be this price, minus the purchase price, divided by the original price. Change over original for most percentage problems. Okay. What the heck? Alright, that's correct. I'm going, because it's 0.95%. Right, you can't total the this particular column. You can't total percent change. So what I'm going to do is just drag it down. Or maybe not. Okay, equals. Oh, another way you could do that is just, either way you could do equal the change over the original amount you invested. This one, you can do it that way too. So there's many different ways, and I can look at it and tell that that is correct. So I'm going to use the Format Painter again to make this. I formatted it and made it. There we go. Oh, and I might want to add a percent here. Add a decimal point. So I can see that 278 or 28, that it's close. Now, the only other thing I have to do is distinguish the totals, and these two would be considered totals. And I'm going to make it to that color, or lighter, or any color you want, I don't care. And this is also a total. So, and then save it, and you're ready to turn it in. And so in this particular case, this person, I just copied a student's, had lost money. And so don't forget that these two, maybe we can make these darker because there really are a total of these two here. But you cannot total percentages. You have to keep it, you have to actually do the equation. So this equation you could do equals change, which is this, over the original invested, this part right here, or the original purchase price, the change over the original purchase price rather, or you could take the difference change over the original. Either way, you can do it that way. I hope I didn't confuse you too much.